If you're just joining us here at 9:30, the governor has now mandated tonight to stop all elective surgeries. It's basically an all-out effort to shore up the supply of surgical masks, gowns, and other personal protective equipment that protects doctors and other healthcare providers. Our chief investigative reporter, Morgan Lowe, joining us live tonight with the backstory on how this order materialized late today. Morgan?
Yes, seen hospitals across the country and here in Arizona are facing a critical shortage of gowns and masks. But our state's huge number of surgery centers, which do knee replacements and facelifts, among other procedures, have been operating at full steam in some cases, using up valuable resources for procedures that do not save lives. They are the masks and gowns that medical providers use to keep from catching what their patients have and spreading it to others. Personal protective equipment, or PPE. But they're in short supply.
And I want all the governors to know that we are with you every step of the way.
This afternoon, President Trump heard about the shortage from governors during a conference call.
We're doing everything we can to get PPE. We're acquiring it. We're getting donations, but we still are going to need a big slug out of the strategic stockpile.
Trump said production of supplies is ramping up, but promised little direct aid from the federal government.
Try what you can, do the best you can to get what you can actually get.
Here in the Valley, hospital chains reported to CBS 5 Investigates that there is no current shortage, but emails and phone calls from hospital employees told a different story. Is that shortage affecting Arizona yet?
Yes, it's affecting Arizona immensely.
Dr. Joy Wolf says she has also heard from hospital employees who say they're being told to wash and reuse disposable equipment.
None of that equipment was ever made for reuse. They're disposable, and they're disposable for a reason. The whole purpose of that is to minimize infection.
But while hospitals are conserving in case of a surge in coronavirus cases, surgery centers across the valley have been burning through the same valuable PPE equipment, performing knee replacements, facelifts, and other elective procedures as recently as today. How is that happening?
Money. Elective surgeries make money.
We are encouraging hospitals and every American to postpone elective surgery.
Vice President Mike Pence made that statement during today's conference call with the governors, and it apparently caught the attention of Arizona's Doug Ducey. At 5:05 p.m., Ducey announced he was halting all elective surgeries in the state of Arizona to help keep critical personal protective equipment available for the fight against COVID-19. So there is an upside to having all of these surgery centers across the valley. Some of them might be able to be turned into new intensive care units in the event our state gets a big influx of these coronavirus cases. I'm Morgan Lowe for Arizona's Family.